Okay guys, thank you so much for annotating your text while I was getting everything started by underlining your title and numbering your paragraphs. Today we are going to start to talk about summarizing a text to include the different parts of plot. This is something that we've been doing for a very long time. So this is what we did last time, where we had the top where we talked about the different parts of plot, and then we talked about writing a summary and using our organizer to help us write that summary. When we are successful, we're going to know that we can answer one of these questions on our FAST test that have that two-part answer. So today, just to review, we're going to summarize to include the different parts of plot. First of all, what are the different parts of plot? What's the first part? Yes.
Rising action.
Rising action. Who do we meet in the rising action?
I was gonna say
One more second. Who do we meet in the rising action? And the start of the problem. Then we have where the problem gets
solved.
Do we solve the problem here yet?
No.
No. Did our character in our last story solve the problem in the middle? No. We solved the problem at the, what do we call the part where we solve the problem, Andres? The resolution. So today, as we're reading, in the back of your mind, when we're underlining important details and we're thinking about the text, we want to make sure that everything that we're underlining goes back to the plot. Thank you. So we have a new story here. It's called Rapping Magicians. In Rapping Magicians, this is yours, thank you. In Rapping Magicians, we are going to have two characters. These two characters are going to experience a problem. As we're reading, we're going to see how these characters work together and solve problems a little bit differently. So that ties back to our essential question: what helps us solve problems? Maybe you would solve a problem like this with your friends, or maybe you would solve it differently. Cool? Okay, I am going to give you 2 minutes